How to scan QR code in your own iPhone screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to qrfy.com. On this page, take a screenshot of the QR code as shown. And then, go back and open up the Photos application. Open the screenshot you just took from here. Over here, tap on the icon at the bottom right corner. Press and hold the screen and tap on Open in Safari. Following these steps, you can easily scan QR code in your own iPhone screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.